Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing a daily challenge today, Sunday, 12 April for Bugforge Coffee Club, and let's start it. Okay, you get this one. Let's zoom it quickly. Okay, you need to register. Okay, my name, local.com, password J123. Address, you can put whatever you want, and let's start. When you enter a shop, remember this daily challenge, they always give you a nice hint. Broken logic, the checkout is acting weird. Checkout, so basically as a product you can do inspect, you to our network. I always love persisting log, disable cache, so you can try to catch whatever you can catch. In this room I couldn't catch everything because when I do add cart, it add cart, you go to cart, you say proceed checkout because that's what happened now, proceed to payment. Okay, because that, let's do that. So we can see it's post request to cart. We get in the product quantity 1, so it has of course a response a message add to cart, but you can see the checkout endpoint, it doesn't really show here. Here it came very nice. It said ID 5 product quantity created, give more. When you go to the checkout page, but the request is dead, it's not thing we can change, it's a guest request. So another one, same because we clicked twice. So we have the item use ID 5, which means 16 quantity 1 created, and all of that. So it's not part what we can change yet. Ironically, when we click that place order, it said confirm it, but what exactly happened here? Yeah, now we can see the checkout. Checkout said order places fully order ID, point and point use, but the request interestingly has this field. Now, how can I control this field? I can just edit and resend like I usually do. No, I didn't like the if you try to change this one there, it just response it cut empty because the request was done before it jumped here. This post request was the end result. So now I tried to figure out how to do it only in Firefox, but it seems is not working for me. So now I need to use the proxy. So I will use. I'm trying to do different today. I'm using this one, not burp, mitmproxy. Let's play with mitmproxy today. So I run the GUI one of it. It will open a listener. It go. I will just because we only work in Bugforge. I'll just filter for now. Bugforge. Let's Forge. Bugforge. That's the site. Yeah. So let's activate the proxy. If I do the proxy now, Firefox is not helping me today. Or I didn't know how to do it only in Firefox because there's something because SSL now it will do advanced accept. Now if I want to buy, but remember our issue was the checkout point. Now I need to tell. So if I do add, it go there. Postage, that's where the place, this is the place where we need to catch the checkout option. So now you can see it's all of this, the image API, all of that we got now intercepted. The same as BEP. I didn't know, I'm learning different things I don't want to choose, but now I want him to intercept. It seems it's not like BEP, but it's good to learn. You checkout. How you spell checkout? Checkout. I'm just looking for the method post. Yeah, mention much that one. So I want to intercept the checkout because remember I couldn't do it in Firefox. So Firefox said no, how to do it. I usually only use BEP when things go going south, but today I said only on something. Now let's press that. Now we intercept our I can intercept it. You can see in the bottom here it been intercepted. Um, so intercept, I can click on it now. I can go edit. Interesting, now I can use my point and I can just put whatever I want. Now I have the interception one. Now I can say done, and I said resume is supposed to see, and then I got our flag. It's a little tool to learn. This is good if you do scripting, Python, and things like that. It's for easier things. Burp is good, but for me, I just want to try something different today. It's good to learn and things like that. So you have that if you don't want to use Birdie, Skydo, this, all of that. So because now because why? Because we've been able to change the points. So now if I go to my file, we done the shop. Let's disable the proxy. I think it is shut down. If I suppose to have points, so now we have minus something. Any case, we got our flag. The flag is basically you get a response, so that's your flag for today. Yeah, that's it, guys. It's good to experiment with things, and thank you very much, and have a good day.